I didn't understand why people were so obsessed with Clay AI. Seriously, every time I opened LinkedIn, somebody was talking about it. Agency owners, lead generation experts, startup founders, everyone kept saying the same thing. Clay is changing outbound. At some point, I got curious enough to test it myself, and after spending time with it, I finally understood why people won't stop talking about this tool. But I also realized something important. Most people are expecting the wrong thing from Clay AI. The first thing I did was try to use it like a normal lead generation tool. That was a mistake, because Clay isn't really trying to be Apollo, Instantly, or a traditional lead database. It's more like a lead enrichment machine. That's the best way I can explain it. You start with basic information, then Clay starts pulling data from different sources, enriching profiles, finding details, and helping you build much better prospect lists. And honestly, the amount of information it can organize is kind of crazy. The second thing that caught my attention was personalization. This is where most cold outreach fails. Not because the email software is bad, not because the leads are bad, because every email sounds like it was copied and pasted 1,000 times. Clay helps solve that problem, not automatically, but faster than doing everything manually. I tested a few workflows where Clay gathered company information, job details, and other data points that could be used for personalized outreach. And suddenly, I understood the appeal. Instead of sending 1,000 generic emails, you can send 100 better emails. And sometimes, that's a much smarter strategy. Now, here's where people get confused. A lot of YouTube videos make it sound like Clay AI automatically generates clients. That's not true. Not even close. Clay helps you find opportunities. You still need a good offer. You still need good copy. You still need a sales process. The tool doesn't replace those things. It just makes the research process dramatically faster. The next thing I noticed was the learning curve. And honestly, this is probably where some people quit. Clay is powerful, but it's not beginner friendly. If you're expecting a simple dashboard with one button, you're probably going to get frustrated. There's definitely a setup process, but once it clicks, the possibilities become pretty interesting. After using Clay AI, my conclusion is simple. If you're a business owner, agency operator, recruiter, SDR, freelancer, or startup founder, doing serious outreach, there's a reason people love this platform. The automation is useful, the enrichment is powerful, and the personalization opportunities are real. Can Clay AI automate lead generation? Partially, but the bigger win isn't automation. It's helping you find better leads faster. And honestly, that's probably even more valuable. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.